Are you in a situation whereby you're contemplating between getting a ring light or a LED light, or you are just starting out content creating or whatever, you just need lightings for whatever you wish to do? Well, in this video, I'm not an expert, but in this video, I'm going to share with you some of the answers to some questions that I wish I got before getting my lighting setup, just so this can be out there, because these questions I wish I had them, but I checked the internet and I didn't get any answers to these questions. So I'm just going to drop it out here in case it may be helpful to you. All right, so I ventured into YouTube content creating, and then I was wishing to get a good setup, a good lighting setup, a very budget friendly lighting setup for my YouTube channel. So I was contemplating between getting a ring light and a LED light, and yeah, and various sophisticated lights I was saying, but those were not budget friendly. So this video now. So cutting down, this video now is for people that are looking to get a budget friendly lighting setup, that like the one I'm using right now. So I contemplated between getting a ring light and the LED light. So in case you don't know, there are various types of ring lights. My best option was to go for the 22 inches. I live in Nigeria and I'm speaking from Nigeria, so I think 22 inches is the biggest. It's the biggest in Nigeria. I don't know about any other place, but I looked and I searched. I saw that 22 inches is the biggest. While in LED light, they have different types of LED lights, ranging from LED 600 to from smaller types for phones, but proper LED lights with stands starts from LED 600 and above. So, and the base one is LED 600, the smallest. So LED 600 is the smallest when it comes to LED lights. Brushing it all down, my options was to go for the RGB. RGB is a ring light that has both blue, red and green in it, with other fancy colors with the regular white, while the non-RGB is just white ring light. So I was contemplating between going for the RGB LED lights, sorry, the RGB ring light or the LED light. So the LED light is just white, but it's very bright. Now I won't say one is better than the other. It just depends on what you want to do. If you are looking to start a YouTube channel, I would advise you go for this, then you get your secondary light later on. It's not a must. You can get a secondary light that is RGB, that can now be on the side. Maybe another ring light that is even smaller, that can now be your RGB light. I don't even have a second RGB light that is a ring light, so that's just it. So you can get another light later on if you are wishing to get a YouTube setup. But if you are wishing to do something like maybe you're just a normal person just wishing to have a light that you can also use to decorate your environment, because some people use ring light as like an aesthetic, something like that. So aside from taking pictures, you can just use it. You can use the RGB light to just decorate your environment. Then you can go for a ring light, because the LED light is just very serious. It's not beautiful at all. It's for work. So that's just it. So if you're looking to get a YouTube setup particularly, so I'm going to focus mainly on YouTube setup, or official office space, or you want to use it for webinars, conference calls, stuff like that, I will advise you go for a LED light, because it's more bright, and then it's more bright and it can give you exactly what you want for your video. Then too, the LED light has a setup. It has a good setup. It has a battery, but the ring light doesn't have a battery. You just plug it directly to a power socket. But though there are some smaller ring lights that have plugs to power banks, if you want to get that, it just depends on what you want, like I said. But for a YouTube setup, since these are the questions we really wanted an answer to which one are you supposed to buy for a YouTube setup or something more serious, I advise you go for the LED light. When you get your LED light, has an external battery that can last you. I'm actually using the external battery right now. So a LED light has an external battery, which is very awesome. You can use it for about 30 minutes on full brightness, but if it's not on full brightness, at least 1 hour, which is very great in case the light goes off on you while you're making a video. LED light has a power adapter, and then its light itself. So I'm going to just join a video to this, and then telling you what this is the unboxing video of the LED light 600, the LED 600 Pro, the smallest of its kind. This light is a very small and portable light, and it comes with a 6-foot tripod stand. As you can see, I raised it to its highest height. I bought a phone holder instead of buying another tripod stand, but depending on what you want to use it for, it's best to get another tripod stand anyways. But this is just a phone holder you can manage if you are on a budget, just like I am or I was rather. So back to our LED lights. LED lights, this will just be what is contained inside the LED light. So firstly, the LED light contains the lamp itself. Of course, it's very small and portable, so you can be able to mobilize it to wherever you wish to do video, which is very nice for business, unlike the ring light, which is not as portable as this. Then it comes with a power adapter, then its external batteries, like I noted in the video, and the power adapter. Then it has this little tweak, I don't know what to call it, but like a surge that you can use to tweak the position of the lighting of the LED light setup. And that's just it for the unboxing of the LED 600. It doesn't contain much and is really portable, and is way much better than buying a ring light, depending on what you want to use it for. Like I explained in the video, this is great for work, while the ring light is more aesthetic, for beauty, and then you can now use it for personal use. So this little LED light is way much brighter than the 22 inches ring light, and is less bulky. Unlike the 22 inches ring light, is very big, and then this produces more light than that, coupled with the fact that it has an external battery. This is just great for business. Yeah, though like I said before, the other one has its own benefits. All right, so let me this is a video of the LED light when it's on at its full lighting. Don't mind my environment, but this is the full this is my hand when I put it in to show how bright it is. Yes, of course, you won't even use this brightness at all, but it's good to have as bright as you want, as bright as it could be, so you can now set it to the best. So you can use something like this, it's lower temperature. So that's just it for the LED light unboxing and review, and what I think is best for you to get between the LED light and the ring light. So they are both good, but it depends on what you want to use it for. Like I said, I'll be doing a review about my microphone and which one you should get. Yep, so stick with me for more reviews. And then basically what I actually do is movie review and book review, so this kind of synchronize with almost what I do, but I don't really do tech. Maybe I may just get into it. That's by the way. I'm hoping to catch you on the next video. Please support me by subscribing to the channel, and I'd love to have you here. Thank you very much, and I hope you are well informed now to make the right decision. Bye.